How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your maintenance light on a 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord, all trims with the exception of the touring model. So you're going to turn on the ignition. At this point, if it's due, it'll display 15% or 10% and 5% or even a negative. Since this customer's doing a little bit earlier, you're going to have to scroll through the button right here. All right, so once you reach the oil life 40%, you're gonna press and hold it. Once it starts flashing, you're gonna release that button, and you're gonna press and hold it again. And that's it, you're all done. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content.